Harlemite, a Peruvian restaurant in Harlem, New York City. I like the aesthetic. Sangria. The fruit adds a nice flavor to it. It's unsangrio. Yuca fries. These are the crispiest yuca fries I've ever had. I swear these are equivalent to Michelin star fries. The sauce only adds to the goodness. Arroz chaufa. This is a very rich and flavorful arroz chaufa, all at the same time being comforting. Truly impeccable. Passion fruit crème brûlée. Crème brûlée is some of the best stuff ever made. This crème brûlée is no exception, being very rich and creamy. The passion fruit in this adds a nice touch. Very good. When done correctly, Peruvian food can be like gourmet food. This restaurant is a perfect example. I highly recommend checking this place out. Address will be in the description.